Guys, good to have you back for another video. So to reset my car. In today's video, I'm going to show you can reset the surface indicator of a Citroen Berlingo. This one comes from 2021. I have changed the oil and the filter, and I'm going to show you I can reset it. First of all, the ignition is turned off. Then you need to check out these buttons over here. Range button, light button, and the set button. Before we turn the ignition on to the second position, you need to press and hold the button with a wrench icon on it. Press and hold it, and you'll see a timer counting back from 10 to 0. Keep it pressed till it reaches 0, and you'll see that it says that the reset has been done. Do the check by closing and turning on the ignition again. Start the car, and you'll see that the wrench indicator for the surface has disappeared. This was a 2021 Citroen Berlingo. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you resetting your own car. Subscribe if you want to help us developing more videos. Give us a like if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.